Hello YouTubers, welcome again to Piano Lessons with Godfrey. So in today's tutorial we'll be looking at We Give You All the Glory in the key of A flat. So it's We give you all So we'll start by playing this part. So it's a flat major chord over C on the left hand. Then we will play this diminished movement, which leads us to number 6. So it's we give. So on my right hand it's A flat, B, D, and F. On the left hand is a D. The next chord on my left hand it's E, and on the right hand is B flat, C sharp, E, and G, which leads to number 6. Then we go to number 4. Number 4 on the left hand and number 5 on the right hand. This is number 4 on the left hand and this is number 5. So I just doubled. Then number 3 on the left hand, it's C, A flat, and B flat, and on the right hand it's E flat, A flat, B flat, and E flat. So let's start off right. We give you glory. So we will play this person chord. It's a 2-5-1 person chord. So our first chord is it's E on the left hand, and on the right hand it's F sharp, B flat, C sharp, and F. On the right hand it's E. Instead of going to number 1, we will play flat 5 over. So it's a D on the left hand, and on the right hand it's F sharp, B flat, C, and F. So the next chord is on my left hand it's C sharp, on my right hand it's F, B flat, C, and F. So the next chord is F on the right hand, F, A flat, and C sharp. You continue to hold the C sharp on the left hand. then it's a yes. On my left hand it's C sharp and B flat. On the right hand it's C sharp, E and B flat. So on my left hand it's E flat and B flat. On the right hand it's C, B flat and A flat. Then it's E on the left hand, and on the right hand it's a B flat, E flat and G. The next chord it's F on the left hand, and on the right hand it's A flat, C sharp and F. Then we're playing sus4 on the right hand, which is C sharp and C sharp, E flat and A flat over G on the left hand. Then we go back to number 1. So let me start afresh. I played something. Okay, let me play it. It's, yes, it's so on my left hand it's a B flat major chord. So our first chord is B flat, E flat and A flat. Then we go chromatic, resolving to number 6. Then we go to number 5, sus2 and 1. So then we play again. So thank you for watching this video, and please like it and subscribe to my channel.